A little over a year ago, I posted a summary of my backup system for my computers and lights in my house, detailing its components. 1 year after a very satisfactory operation, the contacts of the charge controller's protection single-pole relay became pitted, and I had to replace the relay. A good friend of mine gave me a relay having a greater distance between contacts to avoid arcs when disconnecting the panels from the charge controller during each protection cycle. The original relay had a 12-volt coil, but the replacement had a 9-volt coil. Therefore, I had to radically modify the circuit, eliminating the trim pot and using a lower value resistor in series with the Zener diode. An advantage of the new relay is that the distance between contacts is almost twice as much as that of the original relay, thus providing more protection against arcs when interrupting the direct current coming from the panels. The replacement relay also has 2 poles, so both poles can be wired in series, thus doubling the distance between contacts whenever they are open. I hope this relay lasts longer.
I hope this video has been useful to you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel. Shava Ta'in.